Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch a fish in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to go to this menu and equip the fishing rod. And you're going to go to the lake to catch a fish. Okay, right here, find a target fish first. Okay guys, and this is the fish I want to catch. And you can cast your rod by clicking on the rod icon just like this, and make sure that it's accurate, and wait until the fish eat the bait, and then you can tap and hold on the rod and release it. Okay, finally I could catch the fish. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch a fish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.